Hey guys, today's makeup mania is going to be this fresh, Barbie-like springtime inspired look. I hope you like this look. Let's get started. It's like 7-8 easy steps and you can accomplish this very quickly as an everyday look, even if you want to tone it down with other colors. Let's begin. We put a lime green right here in the inner corner of the eye to make it pop a little bit more, and then we're gonna do some glitter, heavy mascara, and the look should be done. There's gonna be a lot of fallout from the pink, so what you wanna do is just get a gold glitter from any glitter palette that you own, and you're gonna get right here on the pink, and just overlay it over the pink. It's going to give somewhat of a Barbie unreal essence to the look, and it's going to shimmer really nicely on top of that pink.